In the realms of mystery, circuits hum, whispers roam, analyzing the patterns of future we disown. Through the haze of digital whispers, the light begins to grow, particles in motion, a dance unlike before. The universe unfolds its quantum tapestry. In a sea of endless knowledge, we begin to see. Break through the veil of time, secrets in the code. Innovate and redefine, let the wonders unfold. In the labyrinth of mind, discoveries untold. Rhythms of the future, let the stories be told. Frequencies collide in the chaos we perceive. Where the logic meets the unknown, our dreams interweave. Curiosity ignites a fire across the span. Advanced technology sings across the land. Precision in every motion, complexity in sight. A symphony of progress, guiding us to light. Break the veil of time, secrets in the code. Innovate and redefine, let the wonders unfold. In the